In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily download ads from the Facebook ads library. Now, it's pretty simple, just make sure you watch this video to the end so you don't miss any important steps, and subscribe if you find this video helpful. But the first thing we want to do is when you go to Google, just type in Facebook ads library. And once you type that in, all you have to do now is you just click search, and as you can see there's a few different results here, but the first one that we actually just want to click on is click on the top one. It's called Ad Library from Facebook's official website. And once it brings you to this page, you can either filter which country you actually want the ads to be from. In this case, I'm just going to choose all because I want to see all the ads. And then for ad category, you just want to filter it by all ads too, so you can actually see literally every ad from the target keyword or search that you want to see the ads for. Once you do that, you just search in your keyword. Let's just say I want to see ads for dog collars. What you just do, you just type that word in right here, click enter, and as you can see, it will show you all the ads for this keyword that you search for, and it'll actually show you if the ad is even running still right now or if it is deactivated or whatnot. But how you actually just download it is you just right click on the ad that you wish to download. Let's just say I want to download this ad right here. You just right click on it. But if it's a video, all you have to actually do is you could just right click on it, then you click on save page as. Then you can name this video that you wish to download whatever you want. Let's just name it collar. And then you click save, and you can actually choose where you want to save it, and you click save. But if you wish to convert any of these files, what you have to do is you just go to the location where they were actually downloaded, then you right click on them, click on rename, and if you don't want that to be named, you can just name it whatever you want. Just name it collar.dog, and then you can put .png or mp4, whatever you want the file to change to. Then you can just click on use png, or you can keep it as whatever it was before. And as you can see, we have just downloaded these Facebook ads. If you found this video helpful, leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel.